Alright, this is a 4-volume set of The World of Mathematics by James R. Newman. And I just wanted to give you a video so you could better see the condition of these books. Okay, so this is volume 1. Okay, and these books are in pretty good condition. You can see here there's a little bit, couple marks on the cover, but nothing too bad. And this is like a cloth hardcover. And then you can see inside that the inside part is yellowing a bit, but the pages aren't quite that yellow. You can kind of see the difference there. They're yellowing a little bit, but not too bad, considering their age. The pages and the binding seem to be in pretty good condition. You can see that's pretty much intact. Get a feel for the top. There's a little thing there. Looks kind of like a little nick, but nothing serious. And then along the opening, and then the bottom. See this a little bit. There's one thing in here. It's like the very second page is considerably wrinkled. I don't really know. Actually, this, yeah, it's a little bit wrinkled. I don't really know the reason for it, but kind of weird. It's like this single solitary page. Neither of the other pages are affected by that, so I don't really know why, but thought you should know about that. And then you can see here that this is by Simon & Schuster, 1956. If you turn the page, get up here, and you can see down here that this is the first printing of this series. And then for volume 2, see that the cover is in good condition. There's a few little scuff marks, and I changed here because of the lighting and I'm still having issues here. Okay, so you can see a couple little scuff marks here and there, maybe there, and then the pages on the ends, and then along the opening, and then along the top. And this is the only book of the 4 that has writing in it. It's just this one little spot right inside when you open it up. You can see here, pages are in decent shape. Then we got volume 3. And you can see this cover is in pretty good condition. I don't even see anything that would be an issue on the front here. I don't have an issue picking it up. Nothing really along the binding. And then up there is one little, kind of like an indent right here. I'm not sure. And then you see kind of a little dent along the edge of the book here. Okay, and then there's a little bit like a single stain kind of thing here. I'll turn it this way so you can see it better, maybe. See, it goes along here, but it doesn't really seem to affect the pages inside at all. And then, yeah, you can see like one little spot. I don't know if you can see it here or not. Right along here. Very, very minor. And then I'll open this up. See, that's not really, there's nothing there that's a big issue or anything. And there seems to be a bit of an indentation right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. First couple pages, I guess. I'm not even sure what would have caused something like that in the location it's in, but it's there a little bit, but I don't think it's a huge issue. I don't know if this is just like dirt here or just a minor stain or something. I don't really know. And then we've got book 4. And you can see again, there's not really anything on the front cover. Get a few little scuff marks along the binding here, the spine, sorry. And then nothing on the back. Get up. And then this one does have a couple more of those stains. I don't know if you can see them from right here. If you look at my photographs on my page here for eBay, you'll see that there are a couple pictures. Maybe you can see it better there. But it's really so minor that I guess that's probably why you're having trouble seeing it. It's a little bit better. And then, I don't know what the deal is, the way the pages are here, you can see. Maybe they were just read more. I'm not really sure. They look a little bit different than the other pages. So there's along the opening and then along the top. Let me open it up. But overall, for their age, they're in really good condition. And then if you look at the slip cover, okay, sorry about that. I had a battery issue, so I had to restart the film. That's why there's the cut. But let me try again. Okay, so this is the slip cover for the books. And you can see it's coming apart a little bit here. It's nothing fancy. I mean, it looks fancier. This looks, it's got a kind of like a leather book texture to it, but it's really just like a cardboard. So, I mean, it's not going to be in the greatest condition, but it's really not too bad in terms of how it's holding together and all that. So here's the main cover of the slip cover. Cover of the slip cover. I don't know if that's the right term, but, and then here's what would be the back. He's got a little bit of a marking here, but for the most part, that's in good shape. The only thing is on the back, you can see on the back of the slipcover here, there's a bit of water damage, but that hasn't seemed to affect the books in any way. And if you look inside here, this will come out. It wasn't glued or anything, it was just there. You can see that this wasn't affected by that at all, and it looks like it barely even, if any, affected the inner part of the slip cover. So you know for sure that the books weren't really harmed by that in any way. So, I mean, it'd be nice if the slip cover was pristine, but it is what it is. So, there we go. And I'll just put them all back in for a final view. 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you go. World of Mathematics.